Easy English Life. Unit 1. Hello and welcome. Welcome to English School. Hello, I'm Ben.
Hello, I'm Grace.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hey there, I'm Jennifer.
Hello, I'm Jason. Hello, I'm Lightning McQueen. I am Speed. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name's Lucy.
Hi, I'm John. What's your name? Hi, I am Robert.
Hello, this is Susie speaking.
Nick, this is Kathy. Kathy, this is Nick. Hi, Kathy.
Hello, Nick.
Good day. My name's Robert Smith.
Good day, my name's Anna Schmidt. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, I'm Nancy Waters. Hi, my name is Ruby Johnson. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
How do you do? My name's Josef Christensen. How do you do? My name is Edward Stark. Pleased to meet you. Likewise. Hello, Sia. How are you today?
Hello, Raj. I'm doing fine. And you?
Oh, I'm pretty good, and the weather is nice today. Hey, Mandy. How's it going? Meet my girlfriend. This is Emma.
Hi, Tom. Wow, nice to meet you, Emma. Hello, Mandy. Same here. I've heard so much about you.
Greetings. Greetings and responses. More formal. How are you? How have you been? How do you do? Responses. Fine, thanks. And you? Not bad, thank you. What's up? What's happening? What's new? Nothing. Not much. Less formal. How are you doing? How's it going? Pretty good. Okay. Not bad. Greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How nice to see you. Hello. How are you? How do you do? How are you doing? Hi. Responses. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Yes, it's been so nice. Hello. Fine, thanks. How do you do? Not bad. Hi.
Formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you? Responses. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening. I'm fine, thank you. Very well, thank you.
When two friends meet, they say hi. They often ask a general question such as, Greetings. How are you? How are things? How is life? How is it going? Are you okay? Answers. Fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. What about yourself? Very well, thank you. Not too bad, thanks. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Hello, my name is Josh. What is your name? Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z.